Yo guys, welcome back to another video. I know I've been inactive for a while. To be honest, I've just been busy working, just doing a lot of stuff, to be honest, but I'm back now with a banging video. This video is really high demanded. You guys have been asking a lot of questions about my electric bike, what kit it is, what batteries on it, so many questions. In this video, I'm going to be answering all your questions. I'm also going to be putting on my new frame. I'm going to be taking off all my old parts and putting all my new bits, putting them up with my bits onto the new frame. So you guys stay tuned. This video is going to be a banger. You're going to be able to see me building up my new C100, and I'll also be putting an electric kit on this bike as well. So you guys will be there throughout the whole process, watching what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. So make sure you stay tuned. Like the video if you haven't liked it already. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, guys. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you know the next time I post. Don't forget to go do that now if you haven't even done that yet. Go do that now. Oh yeah, stay tuned. Be sick. Alright guys, so the first step is done, which is take out the battery. This thing weighs, it is bloody heavy. Look at it, massive. I'm telling you, this thing is actually big and it weighs a lot. But yeah, first step is getting the battery out. Now my bike is batteryless and we just got the motor. Need to get that out. I'm gonna put my bike in a stand and start stripping it. Let's go. So guys, as you can see now, I've got the C100 on the stand, my one, the one that was built. I've taken out the battery, as you guys can see, no battery in there. So yeah, let's just get down to it and start stripping the bike.
You said you were sick of me.
So as you guys can see here, with the Bafang, what it is you won't have your original bottom bracket in the bike. This kit, yeah, see, look, I'm just dropping things out of nowhere. Like, look at my things, guys. Look, very steady lined up. Everything. But yeah, as I was saying, with these Bafangs, they are the bottom bracket. They will act as a bottom bracket. This isn't a bottom bracket. This is from the motor. I'm going to show you guys in a second once it's loosened up. This whole thing will literally slide out. Yes, you will. Active on a scooter. Jeez, 10 miles per hour in that. Nothing like the Bafang, trust me. But yeah, as I was saying, I'll show you guys. This will just slide out the bottom bracket, and you guys will see what I'm talking about. Your backflip. Jeez, fucking hell, bro. Don't kill me, mate. Fucking hell. Yeah, so guys, look, I've given it a little loosen up. Now you can see, look, this whole thing is together. The motor, what drives the chain, it's all one piece. Look, so when I slide it out, you see what I mean by it's the bottom bracket. It's, look, oh shit. I've still got the speed sensor connected. So I've now taken off the sensor. Now you guys are able to see, look, when I slide it out, you see the way it's coming out. It's so dirty, all this dirt that's been on my bike. But look, this thing's fucking heavy, I'll tell you that. But yeah, this is the motor. Obviously you got all the wiring and stuff underneath. Yeah, so this is what it would look like. This is what the motor would look like. And when that comes out, all you see is dirty frame. Dirty frame. But yeah, when it comes out, you just see the straight threading. There's no other bottom bracket in there. That's all that's in there for you guys that wanted to know how the motor goes into your bike. When I'm putting it in a new C100, you guys will then see how I'm putting it back in, same way I took it out. It's not hard at all. You guys can do it. I did it. You can always learn. But as you can see now, this C100 is stripped. We're about to start building the new C100. Let's go. Out with the old, in with the new, guys. I'm now about to put the new frame on. About to put it on the stand. Let's build it. Let's go. So guys, as you can see, all it was, as I told you before, is literally just sliding it through the frame. When it comes through, this will catch it on, which holds it. I've literally just put that on, slid it on. These two bolts, I haven't fully tightened them, still need to tighten them, but that will go on and then it will sit in place here. When it's all tightened up, it will all sit in place here, literally just below the frame. As it's loose, it will move like that, but once it's tightened up, it will sit there nicely. And yeah, so let's continue going and you guys will see how. So far I've just got the motor in, the rail on, all of this stuff is all sitting here. I still need to put all of this on there, but yeah, I'm about to do that. Literally I need to hurry up, finish this, and we're going for a ride. Let's go, let's hurry up. Hey! Why don't you just put it on the floor? Why put it on the... Why put it on the... Guys, big shout out to you all for even helping me. You all might as well shout out your Insta while you're here. Go on, shout out what's your Insta? Anyway, God. I'll put it there anyway, guys. Make sure you go follow him. Big thanks to him for even helping me out. I need to get this thing sorted very quick so we can go out and ride. Let's hope we get it sorted soon and we're out soon. Professional. Guys, as you can see, it's coming together. We got the derailleur on. Yeah, the caliper on halfway. The motor on. You see what I mean by, look, solid. It's not moving, it's staying there. So, yeah, we got the bearings in. Just need to put the forks in. Fuck, man's all tripping everywhere now. Put the forks in, wheels on, bars on, connect everything, battery back, and we're back to life. So guys, we are practically nearly finished. There's a lot of shut up. There's a lot of wiring going on there. I still need to sort all of this out, but once I do, then the bike will be looking fresh and beautiful again. But guys, fresh frame. Let's finish this and cut out of it.
Fuck it up, Olga.
Go on, show me what you can do. I'm filming these look come, yeah. Asking for tips. Can you look wheelie as well? Go on, show me. No, go and join him. Nah, that's excuses. Hey, look, he's got. Hey. See, don't crash into the car now. No, that was sick though. But no, you know what? Yeah, you see how you came back? Like, use your brake more. Like, try not to come back too much. Press your brake harder when you're coming more back. But you had it up though. You had it up. I promise you, all it is, keep practicing and you'll get it. That's like with me. I didn't even ask no one for tips like that, really. Like, if you're just out, guys, watch out. Yeah, but if you guys are just out here riding, yeah, just go to like open space, like open road or something, and just practice. Once you keep practicing, you'll get better. You've even got your seat tilted already. You already know about that tip. Later. Cool. Hey, go on, bust wheelie off. Do a wheelie. You can. Nah, don't matter. Alright, look, give me your bike. Right now. Look, you film. You hold this. Yeah. So guys, he said his shift is broken and he can't wheelie the bike. I'm gonna show him that I can wheelie any bike. It doesn't matter about the shifter. Yeah. Right. You guys ready? Okay. Cool.
Now, how do you feel?
Is it?
How do you feel now?
You do need to pump your tire a bit though.
That's what I told you.
You feel like Brent. No, you know, quickly saying it's supposed to be like that, you know? Yes.
Yeah, they're not supposed to be like
Yeah, because it was broken.
Nah, you just didn't put it in the right way.
Like the whole thing came off the tire.
Oh, yeah? That's the right way. Look, you see the way it is there? That's the right way. So I feel that. Your bike's wheeliable. Literally, that's what I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you, like, even everyone that's watching, it's all about practice. You keep practicing and you'll be able to wheelie anything. I'm telling you. But, you lot, love, see you lot later, yeah? Bye. Back to filming these bad boys.
Fuck it up, Boga.
Back at Bike Shack. My bike is fully complete and built, as you guys can see. I've also here got with me another E100 that was custom built by Bike Shack Leighton themselves. This bike is going to be for sale very soon, so if you guys are interested, don't forget to hit up Bike Shack Leighton in the DMs. The bike will be for sale. You can buy it. It can be your new bike. My bike is fully complete. The frame swap has been done. My bike is looking fresh. Gonna take it out for a ride, get some nice clips, show you guys what this beast is really about. lot of people have been asking me about how many watts my motor is, what my battery is, how many amps, how many volts. I'll be telling you guys all of that in this video. So make sure you stay tuned. So guys, to start off, my motor is a Bafang motor. What I'll do, I'll put it there so you guys can see the spelling of it. But it's a Bafang. It's 750 watts. Battery is 48 volt, 20 amps. It is humongous, yeah. If you guys were to hold it, you feel how heavy it actually is. It's massive. But this E100 is also a 750 watt as well. The motor is 750 watts. The battery, I'm not too sure what it is. If you are interested, you can also DM Bike Chat. They'll tell you all about the bike, all the specs about it, what motor it is, the battery life, all that type of stuff.
Man, it's a strong bike.
Yes, thank you very much. So guys, I have been receiving a lot of questions in my DMs asking me how fast does the bike go, how long does the battery last for. I'll be answering all of that. Well, to be honest, with me, I've hit 30 to 40 miles per hour on it, and that's quite fast. To be honest, it might not seem as fast, but when you're actually on the bike and you're doing that speed, it feels completely different. Trust me guys, when you're on the bike and you're doing it, you're going to be thinking, what? Like, I'm telling you guys, everyone that has rode my bike, yeah, ask anyone that's rode my bike, they've all said they've loved it or they've wanted one. Guys, this is your perfect chance to do it very good, fast and electric. I know a lot of you guys have been asking about this, so yeah, like chalet. Guys, I'm going to be showing you how fast my bike goes with the wheel in the air. Yeah, you guys, I'm going to show you how fast on screen. I've even got, my bike has even got a password, yeah. You guys are never gonna know what this password is. Let's get a password. It's fucking sick. You guys can't get into my bike if you wanted to. You wish. I'm gonna be showing you how fast my bike goes. Or showing this. Let me just turn up the brightness quickly. Brighter. Turn it up to the fastest mode. Are you guys ready? $52. I was seeing 53 before. Where did 53 go? There we go. Yeah. As you can see, the back wheel is clearly in there. So guys, I am sadly going to end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you go down and hit that subscribe button right now. Don't forget to turn post notifications on so you know the next time I post a video, which will be when? I've got no idea, but you got to stay tuned so you know when I'm posting. If you're interested in this bike, it is for sale. Don't know the price, come to Bike Chat and find out for yourself. Or DM them on Instagram. I'll be putting their Instagram in the description so you guys can go check out their Insta, give them a follow. Go give my Insta a follow as well. People that don't even follow me on Insta but subscribe to my YouTube channel, go follow my Instagram, same as my YouTube name, rr_souls. Go on Instagram, type that in, go give me a follow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video.